What is feedback? Feedback sounds like this. It's a really annoying squealing sound. Feedback is something that maybe only you hear. However, feedback can be something that others around you hear as well too. There are a few possibilities of why your hearing aids are feeding back. Your hearing aids may need to be cleaned. There could be wax affecting the hearing aids. Your ears could be occluded with earwax. You could have a possible ear infection as well. The hearing aids may not be inserted correctly. The hearing aids may be an improper fit. Or the hearing aids could be at their maximum power. So what you would like to do now is to try to figure out what is causing that feedback. The first thing I would suggest doing is have a feel or a look in the mirror and make sure and confirm that the hearing aid is in fact inserted properly in your ears. The second thing you can do is clean your hearing aids. So if you know how to do this and you have all the supplies, you can clean your hearing aids. If not, call your hearing care professional, request an appointment for your aids to be cleaned, as well for the professional to have a look in your ears to see if your ears are occluded with earwax. If you are unable to correct the feedback on your own, I highly recommend calling your hearing care professional and they will be able to assist you. They will be able to help with the ideas that I gave you at the beginning of the video. If you are unsure how to clean your own hearing aids, please have a look at some of our videos on how to clean hearing aids.